Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of macro photography with what I consider the best macro lens for Canon on the market. The Godox MF12-K2 Macro Flash Kit. Let's explore why this kit is a game changer for macro enthusiasts. Before we delve into the details, let me introduce you to the Godox MF12-K2 Macro Flash Kit. This 2-light kit is designed to revolutionize your macro photography experience. With 2.4 GTTL flashes and a built-in lithium battery, it's packed with features that cater to the needs of macro shooters. Now, let's talk about what makes the Godox MF12-K2 stand out from the crowd. Firstly, its versatility. Whether you're capturing tiny insects, intricate jewelry, or delicate flowers, this kit has you covered. With adjustable heads and the ability to mount multiple units for various lighting effects, it offers unparalleled flexibility. But what about compatibility? Fear not, fellow photographers. The Godox MF12-K2 is not only compatible with Canon but also with Sony, Nikon, Fuji, Panasonic, and more. Thanks to its 2.4 GHz wireless technology, you can enjoy seamless communication and long-distance transmission, enhancing your shooting experience. Now, let's talk power. The built-in lithium battery ensures that you can shoot continuously without interruption. With the ability to cover up to 500 flashes and a lightning-fast recycling time of 0.01 to 1.7 seconds, you'll never miss that perfect shot. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from other photographers who have experienced the Godox MF12-K2 firsthand. Users praise its ease of use, versatility, and exceptional performance in various shooting scenarios. In conclusion, the Godox MF12-K2 Macro Flash Kit is not just a tool, it's a game changer for macro photographers. With its innovative features, compatibility, and outstanding performance, it's no wonder that this kit is considered the best macro lens for Canon. That wraps up our review of the Godox MF12-K2 Macro Flash Kit. If you're ready to take your macro photography to the next level, be sure to check out this incredible kit. Until next time, happy shooting!